Protests at the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital after the body of a second-year postgraduate student was recovered from the seminar room in this building. Now, the police have confirmed a case of rape and murder. But what's really shocking is how someone could have access to a seminar room that was used by students to get some rest, study in the middle of their night shifts. And this is something that, of course, we are seeing at the RG Kar Medical College and campus. There have been protests across other medical colleges as well. There have been protests against the incident because it's really shocked everyone that someone could walk into a seminar room, commit such a heinous crime, attack and sexually assault a student and walk out. And the body, of course, was discovered later in the morning. The police have arrested Sanjay Roy while questions were asked of the Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal if he was a civic volunteer. That is something that has been reported. The Kolkata Police Commissioner did not say anything except to say that he is a criminal for them and will be dealt with in the strictest manner possible. But you can see here students protesting. Also, we believe teachers from the school of that young girl have also come here, those who knew her. And of course, this is really an unfortunate incident given it happens on campus. And the question really is about safety and security of students on the campus. A peaceful protest, as you can see, is going on. What it says is, we all want justice for the victim, we want judicial inquiry, exemplary punishment of the culprits. And then it says students and doctors of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. So this, of course, is what's happening here. Let me just go across to some of the students who are protesting here. This is, of course, larger than just what you're sitting here for. The fact is that somebody can walk into a campus as a young medical student. I presume you're a medical student? A nursing student. Do you think that the safety and security of medical students is really a worry for all of you, for young students like you?
Yes, it is totally compromised. At times we don't find changing rooms as well as not proper washrooms to use in the hospital premises whenever we have duties, because nursing students have duties in all of the years, or as we are BSc nursing students, we go for duties since our first year till fourth year. So also we have night duties in the fourth year. So we would expect that she would be served justice as soon as possible. That is the prime thing we're sitting here for. Also, along with that, we demand safety for men, women, everybody in the working place. We are coming here to give service, to give care to the people, treat them. And the place that woman has left home that day, she did not expect that she will never return home that night, and she was so brutally killed or raped. We want justice for that. Also, a safety and security. Without safety, we don't want to give duty. How we will show duty without any safety?
And that's perhaps valid, legitimate demand. That safety is, of course, something that they're all working at here. In fact, we have people, I believe, from the school or somebody who knew the victim.
From class 5 to 12, she was in our school, and she was a brilliant kid and also an obedient one. And we can never forget her. She was the best flower in our bouquet. She was the best.
Ma'am, this is a workplace. It should be secure for everyone. Medical students, everyone knows, have to study really hard in this country. She was in a workplace. I mean, this is the last place that anybody would have expected that she would be insecure and could face something like this.
Of course, there should be security, and especially for our girls who are working so hard for our sake. If we fall sick, they are for us. So today we should be for them. It is our duty to the society.
And ma'am, can you tell us what kind of a student she was and what do you remember?
She was simply brilliant and such a good girl with exemplary behavior. I would just highlight about her behavior the most. There are lots of brilliant students in this world, but she was just out of the world in her behavior. I can't imagine there can be anybody in the world who would want to harm her. She was such a pure soul. It's really sad.
So these are teachers who knew the young lady, the postgraduate medical student who's been killed in the most brutal manner after sexual assault in the campus where she was supposed to be secure. And you can see protests have unfolded here at this RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, and what they're demanding, these students are demanding stop violence against women, RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, and this is something that's basic. It's very basic. The police have made arrests. The police have also said that they will follow the strictest possible path as far as justice system is concerned. But frankly, this is quite a shocking case taking place at a premium hospital like this, where a young student is murdered, sexually assaulted, and this is something that has shocked Kolkata and beyond. With camera person Aniruddha Tripathi in Kolkata's RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.